This is News You Can Use.
To start this year, 2022, we hosted a meeting with Doug Duncan, our good friend, Senior Vice President and Chief Economist with Fannie Mae, to discuss his latest economic forecast and housing forecast for the year. Over the years, no economist has more accurately predicted what's coming next for our industry than Doug Duncan and his team at Fannie Mae. He shared a wealth of knowledge that we'll be sharing with you in bite-sized pieces over the coming weeks. The housing market's going to be different this year. It is every year. And in some ways in 2022, it's going to be more challenging. We all just need to adjust to the new conditions that exist so that we can find our way to our best this year. Check out Doug's insights to help you become the most informed professional possible. All right, so the average person's listening, they keep hearing about this Fed guy and this Fed. So why don't we just talk a bit about the Fed quickly? First, what is the Federal Reserve, and specifically, what's their role or mandate in terms of their role in the economy?
Yeah, the Fed is the Federal Reserve System is essentially a banker's bank. It's actually owned by the members of the Federal Reserve System. They have to hold stock in the Federal Reserve System. And it really focuses on three things. It focuses on monetary policy, that is where interest rates are with respect to the level of employment and the level of inflation. They also focus on banking supervision, so oversight over the safety and soundness of banks, and provide some financial services through treasury, trading, and things like that. It's made up of 12 regional banks and 24 branches, and the Federal Reserve Board, which is kind of the overall governing body. And it consists of each of the 12 regional bank presidents and 7 presidential appointees confirmed by the Senate. That would be the Federal Open Market Committee, which is the governing body of the Federal Reserve System. So when you talk about changes in interest rates or the Fed's balance sheet, that's really who you're talking about, is the institutions led by those 19 people.
And they basically are partnering with us as business goes to try to keep a sustainable, maximized economy taking place by using interest rates and other tools in their toolbox. They're trying to keep employment at its maximum, but inflation, which everyone is dealing with today, under control as well. So
that's right.
Might we say they've got a bit of work to do right now to
it's a
on
tough
the inflation
job.
side, because that's been an outlier. Employment's getting better. We've got another number coming up today that will hopefully be another positive number for employment, notwithstanding the whole Omicron thing. All right. Thank you, Doug, for offering your insights to all of us. We'll be back next week with more News You Can Use.